Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of force stopping WhatsApp on your Android device. Whether you're facing issues with WhatsApp or simply want to refresh the app, this full guide will provide you with the necessary steps to force stop it. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Begin by unlocking your Android device. Simply swipe or enter your passcode to access your home screen. Step 2. Search for the WhatsApp app among your other installed apps. You can find it by swiping up or down on your home screen, or by opening the app drawer. Step 3. Once you locate the WhatsApp icon, tap and hold on it. This will bring up additional options for the app. Step 4. Now tap on the eye icon or the app info option. This will take you to the settings and information page for WhatsApp. Step 5. On the app info page, scroll down until you find the Force Stop option. It is usually located at the bottom of the page or within the app settings section. Please note that the steps may slightly vary depending on the model and software version of your Android device. However, the overall result should remain the same. By following these steps, you can successfully force stop WhatsApp on your Android device. This can help resolve issues and provide a fresh start for the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, we kindly request that you give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.